6 divided by 2 times the quantity of 1 plus 2. If you just said 1, you're wrong. Let me show you exactly where your brain went wrong. You looked at the 2 next to the parenthesis and your instinct said, multiply that first. That instinct is the trap. Following that instinct, you solved 1 plus 2 first. That gives 3. So now your equation looks like 6 divided by 2 times 3. Still following the trap, you multiplied the 2 by that 3 before dividing. 2 times 3 equals 6. So now your equation looks like 6 divided by 6. And 6 divided by 6 equals 1. That's how you land on 1. Every step felt logical. But one step broke the rules. Now let's do it the right way using PEMDAS. PEMDAS just stands for the order we're supposed to solve things in. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction. And here's the part almost nobody tells you. Multiplication and division aren't two separate steps, they're the same step. And so are addition and subtraction. Whichever one shows up first in the equation, reading left to right, that's the one you do first. Let's apply that here. Parentheses first, always. 1 plus 2 equals 3. So the equation becomes 6 divided by 2 times 3. There's no more parenthesis left, which means multiplication and division are equal partners now. We go left to right. Whichever one shows up first wins. Division shows up first. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So now the equation becomes 3 times 3. And 3 times 3 equals 9. The real answer is 9. Pause the video and try this one in the comments. 8 divided by 2 times the quantity of 2 plus 2. Same trap, same rule. Let's see who actually learned something today. If this just saved you from an embarrassing wrong answer, smash that like button, subscribe so you never fall for one of these again, and drop your score in the comments. See you in the next one.